Tonight on Cooking with a Munchie, we are joined by the guest nobody expected. He's from my past but decided to teleport to my present to create more history. But the only thing we want to see him create is this dish. Will he be successful? Will he be unsuccessful? Comment down below how you think this meal is going, because I think it's going a bit downhill. Don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe. He's now added his prawn mixture with the pasta together, probably wishing we get together. Rather than history, what was created here is a catastrophe. You better teleport back into the past. Comment your rating down below. It's a 10 minus 10 for me.